At Shaganappi GM, we understand that purchasing a used vehicle can be overwhelming. It's natural to feel uncertain about a vehicle's history and condition. That's why we offer a complete transparency and provide a range of comprehensive benefits on all our certified pre-owned CPO vehicles. You get a copy of the Carfax, our inspection report, and a list of all the work we've done to recondition your vehicle. With CPO, every GM vehicle is delivered with a manufacturer's warranty, so you can be confident that you are protected if anything happens. To earn that warranty, every CPO vehicle undergoes a rigorous 150-point inspection to ensure that only the highest quality vehicles make our cut. Whether you find yourself stranded due to a mechanical issue, flat tire, or a simple lockout, you are covered for 24 hours, 7 days a week, anywhere in North America. We also understand that you might change your mind, and that's why every CPO vehicle also includes a 3-month, 2,500-kilometer exchange policy. No charge to you. And because we know how much time you spend in your vehicle listening to music and talk shows, we're also going to include a Sirius XM subscription for you. By offering these comprehensive benefits, alongside our transparent, worry-free, open-book way of doing business, we are confident you will find us to be your perfect partner in selecting your next vehicle. Come see us and discover the Shaganappi difference for yourself.